Yeah, but with this one wire Chevy alternator from the old school ones, actually got this off my 327 for no particular reason, just because it's the one I had. But you could pretty much use any Chevy from fucking like 8500 probably has the same one, which is this one. You loop these two, and you run one directly to the fucking battery, and one to ignition with a 144th bulb in between, and they should charge like them. What the fuck? We ain't got there yet. I've been fucking battling the belt. I'm gonna probably have to order one because it's a 59, and they don't have a fucking 59. Or I'm gonna redo that bracket, whatever fucking comes first this year. I'm probably gonna go buy the next bigger one and then just redo the bracket, but that's just gonna be like